frozen. Shows you how cold it is here. Pretty cool.
I think you should try.
Yeah. Better. Kept it open a bit more. Good hill to practice on. Very loose. But it's so steep. You can't just crawl up it and maintain traction. You've got to open it up, do it that way. It's my first ride with the new starter switch, which is the SX style. I heard it's also used in the US on the EXC TBI models. It's okay. The button feel is not good though. It's quite hard to press, and yeah, it doesn't feel great, but it works. So I'm going to carry on using it for now. I might well change to separate start and kill switches though, and use those going forwards, but for now this is working and should be reliable. Yeah, I kept it open.
I heard it, yeah.
Yeah.
You actually went faster today and then even faster after.
Yeah.
I didn't open it up until the fourth tree then, or third tree.
It's not an easy hill. You have to get it just right.
Think about it, I think.
You get it just right. Commit. Full commitment.
Yeah, I tell you what, the worst thing is if you have to turn around on that steep bit.
Yeah, it's horrible.
That's horrible.
What are you doing, Phil? You know the trail is that way.
I was thinking last time we went up here.
It's this way.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's a theory.
Woo! Nicely done.
My handlebars, when it's straight, I like there. Life's different now, ain't it?
Should we go up the steep one?
Yeah, definitely.
Strong coming up there. Loving the TSP Power Kit.